Hello, how are you? Happy 2024. In today's video, we are going to be doing a pattern haul. I picked up some patterns from the last sale. I think it was Butterick and Vogue. I only got three Vogue, but I also went to our resource center here in where I live at, and I picked up some vintage patterns and some other stuff. So if you're interested in to see what I picked up, please stay tuned. All right, let's start off with the Vogue patterns that I picked up. I have seen Julie from the Curated Curvy, excuse me, from the Curated Curvy with this pattern. And I saw someone else this week with this pattern. I was like, okay, that's two people. Let me get that pattern so I could try it. So this is Vogue 1914. It is rated as easy. So I can't wait to see how this sews up. It is recommended for all body types. And it is shirt. It is like what, a cropped cardigan. Then there's like a tunic length shirt, and then there are pull-on pants. So can't wait to see how that is. I wanted to make sure I grabbed that and I put it in my stash. Next I have 1935. I love this dress, but I was hesitant on picking it up because I saw Creativity by T talk about this, that she took it back because she realized it was 9 yards. So I actually have 2 rolls of fabric, and both of them are 10 meters. Or more. They're either 10 to 12 meters. So I would have enough to do this dress. I went ahead and picked it up because I like the dress. I may be able to only make it once, but I like the dress, and I'll probably use one of those fabrics for the dress. And it is rated as advanced. But I think it is really, really cute. This is, again, Vogue 1935. Last, I saw this dress and I thought it was really cute and simple, but it's so simple it looks, I don't know, a little dainty and elegant to me. This is Vogue 1859. Really cute, and it is rated as average. But I thought that would be a really nice dress to make. It's simple and elegant, really nice. That probably be really pretty in linen. So while I was at the resource center, I found this ruler. So this is a ruler. It's a fashion ruler. But if you ever like create your own patterns or modify patterns, it's really good to have one of these. And I did not have this one right here. So I was really excited to find it. And I paid $5 for it. Great price because they're way more than this. So I'll just add this to my stash of rulers, but this one will really come in handy, especially when I'm modifying or creating my own patterns. I also found these vintage cuffs, guys. I thought this was a great find. I just remember this style from back in the day. And it's just one, but oh my goodness. It's a cuff, guys. I could probably split it, even if I made a child's coat with it. But I thought that was really cute. It's in really good condition. It's never been used. So I said I was going to add that. I have a couple rolls of cuffing ribbon, and I'll just add this to that in case I make something with those colors. I think I actually have some fabric with those exact colors that might work for like a little light bomber jacket. I got this Heat and Bond light because I use it. I don't know how old it is. But I said, well, I'll get it because it was only $1. So I'll cut into it and try to use it on a scrap piece of fabric to see if it's still good. Because what about these, I don't know. And if you know, comment below. But I'm not sure like how long it lasts, or if it's in the package, will it be okay? I don't know the answers to that stuff. So it was $1. I grabbed it. I'm just going to test it out on a piece of scrap fabric and see how it works. If it still works, I got a good bargain for $1. If not, I lost $1. Oh well. it was worth a try. When I go there, I always pick up these dies, and these, I like these little dies. They work very well for me. So I picked up 3 of those. They were $1 a piece. They have a pearl gray, sunshine orange, and a teal color. So I have dyed a couple of things lately, and I really enjoyed the process. So whenever I see these, I just pick them up, because you never know. This may be the color I need, or just by experimenting and see how the colors are going to turn out. So I always pick these up when I see them at the resource center, because they're usually only $1. So last but not least, of course, you know, I picked up patterns to add to my stash. So the first pattern is Vogue 1020. This is a wardrobe pattern, but I liked it. I'm hoping all the pieces up in there. I haven't went inside to make sure. But there's like a top, there's like a pull-on cardigan, there's a skirt, a dress, and pants. And I thought this was a very nice pattern to add to my stash. I found another Vogue wardrobe pattern. It was Vogue 1100. Again, some of the same things. The jacket, the shirt, the dress, and pants. Really nice. Now I found this pattern, and I don't know, it says sewing step by step. I'm not sure who this is by, but it was for a pair of tapered pants, and I want a pair of tapered pants. I think I have one other pattern, but I wasn't sure. And these patterns were only 50 cents, so I grabbed it. But I don't know who makes these. It doesn't say any name that I'm familiar with. So we'll see how that works out for me. I found a blouse with that same packaging. It looks like it's 2 different blouses. Yeah. No, it's 3. 3 different blouses. Really cute. I found this is super old. Says it's pattern number 200. Stretch and sew. This is a ladies raglan sleeve pattern. And it has 4 views on the back. This is really old. It looked like it's been cut out, so I have to go through and see what's good and what's not. This is another stretch and sew pattern. It says pattern number 300. And this is a t-shirt and cardigan. And I need to go through this to make sure everything is there. But like I said, these were only 50 cents. And I thought this would be nice to have. I don't know if you can see the line drawings, but there's a t-shirt and cardigan down there. Okay, I found Simplicity. I just wanted a simple skirt pattern. And I have skirt patterns, but I don't think I have any pencil skirt. I may have one. But this one, it has 6 different skirts in it. And it was Simplicity 2343. And I thought that would just be nice to add to my collection. So I'll have it. I also found Butterick 5469. These are like little blazers. It's rated as easy. And of course the skirts, they were rated as easy as well. This is rated as easy. And it's just 4 different versions of like a blazer. I have McCalls 5936. This feels a little light, so I'm not sure if this is in here. But I'll go through it. And it is for a blazer in 2 different styles. One is short sleeve, one is long sleeve. I just thought that was really cute. So hopefully most of the pieces are in there. I like that. I love that peplum at the bottom. That's, you know, peplums are my thing. This is Simplicity, the Threads magazine collection. This is 1919, and I love all the views in there. There's a blazer, there's a short sleeve blazer, there's a skirt and pants. I love it. I think that is so nice. I really hope all of that's in there. Simplicity 2364. Nice little shirt pattern to add to my collection. This is for knit tops. I don't see the rating. So I'm not sure if it's easy or not. But really cute. Here's a very vintage Jiffy knits. I love the dress and I love the two-piece. So you can do the dress or you can do this just the top. It's really nice, and the top and the skirt. So this is a Jiffy pattern 7750, but simplicity. Here's a McCalls pattern. I thought this would be cute to do with lace because you could do color blocking. It also has pockets on one version. So this is McCalls 7093. And the model is wearing view B, but I figured, I don't know if you can see all the different areas. You could just put like lace on the sleeve. I figured that would be really cute to do that. And this is McCalls 7775. I thought it was just super cute. I love both views, and it says it is easy. This would be a cute summer make. Really like that. That's nice. I got this for my project, Just a Girl. So this is 2483. So I try to get as many extra little patterns like this as I see. So this has, it goes up to a 6X. So this is going to be a little small for my granddaughters. But for Project Just a Girls, I wanted this dress right here. A and B. I thought that was really cute. This is another top I got so I can incorporate lace. It is rated as easy. This is a McCalls 6359. And it's like a razorback tee. Really cute. Really easy. I got this pattern because I told y'all that I was going to make the Miss Annie dress because she sends me she sent me all that great lace. So I found the Annie dress that I'm going to make. This is New Look 6261. And I'm really thinking about, I don't know if I'm going to do view A or view C, but she sent me some like, I think it's like a teal bluish color. It's really a seafoam blue maybe. But that's what I'm going to make with this. But I thought that was really awesome. So this is 6261. And it's two different views. The way, even the waist is a little different. But that's going to be the Annie dress. So I'm going to make that up real soon so Miss Annie can see. I put that lace to good use. This, I just fell in love with this skirt. I thought it was so nice. I just liked it. It's a Butterick pattern 4859 and it's rated as easy, but I don't know if you can see. I just love the details in that skirt. Beautiful to me. I can see rocking that with, I don't know, maybe making the skirt with a little black in it like she did and rocking it with my Georgia shirt that I made with the Mimi G pattern would be really great. And here's another simplicity pattern. It's 8604. It's in conjunction with threads as well. And this has 4 different blazers on here. And I just love all the views. I think this is beautiful. My favorite is C because, you know, it has the peplum because I love peplums. Well, guys, that is all that I picked up from the Resource Center and my 3 patterns that I picked up from JoAnn Fabrics. I hope that you enjoyed this fabric haul. As always, remember, you are so fabulous, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a wonderful day.